Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street close US benchmark bulls electrocuted by June high S electric fence. http ntvforex.com news ID 42DED9. July 13, 2014 GMT. By Ross J. Berland. Dow Jones unofficially closes up 12.49 points, or 0.05%, at 26,087.79. S&P 500 unofficially closes down 27.17 points, or 0.85%, at 3,157.87. Nasdaq unofficially closes down 221.38 points, or 2.09%, at 10,396.06. The June highs are well protected on Wall Street, and bulls ran into an electric fence and forced back into their pens below critical resistance levels ahead of key bank earnings that kick off on Tuesday. Initially, there was a bid in U.S. stocks with hopes of a vaccine and PepsiCo's upbeat results. However, a sharp drop in tech shares, Amazon, Microsoft, and other recent big-name leaders of the recent Wall Street rally soured sentiment. S&P 500 top movers. Hotel stocks surge on coronavirus vaccine hopes. The S&P 500 briefly touched its highest level since February 25, barely above the June highs, but it seems that investors are bracing for what could be the sharpest drop in quarterly earnings for the index's firms since the GFC. More on that here. S&P 500 index forecast Bank's earnings in focus. COVID-19 induced insolvency fears simmer away. Unofficially, the DJIA rose 11.4 points, or by 0.04%, to 26,086.34. The S&P 500 lost 29.69 points to 0.93% to 3,155.35, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 226.60 points, or 2.13%, to 10,390.84. falling back below the June highs after reaching an all-time high. Stoking hopes of near-term resolve to the pandemic. Stocks had risen earlier the day, with the S&P 500 CKing 1% after Pfizer PFE and BioNTech SEBNTX announced they had received fast-track designation from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for the development of two of their vaccine candidates. This sent the S&P 500 turning briefly positive for the year to date. However, business reclosures and the relentless spread of the virus spooked investors throughout the day. California's COVID-19 positivity up 21% within 4 weeks. In the latest U.S. COVID-19 updates, California Governor Gavin Newsom on Monday ordered that all counties across the state reclose indoor operations for businesses including restaurants, bars, movie theaters, and museums. The U.S. dollar also weakened in late trading on Monday as traders weighed the impact of the rising coronavirus infections in the country. Tennessee is also having a hard time of it, with record increases of new cases reported today in a Reuters tally, rising by 3,314 to 65,274 for a fourth record increase this month. To date, more than 3.3 million confirmed COVID-19 cases have been reported in the United States, with over 135,000 deaths, as of Monday afternoon, showed a tally by Johns Hopkins University. S&P 500 levels. Overview. Today last price. 3228.25. Today daily change 0.54.50. Today daily change percent 0.1.72. Today daily open. 3173.75. Trends. Daily SMA 20.3111.52. Daily SMA 50.3040.75. Daily SMA 100.2892.56. Daily SMA 200.3033.49. Levels. Previous daily high. 3175.25. Previous daily low. 3124.25. Previous weekly high. 3184.5. Previous weekly low. 3115. Previous monthly high. 3233.25. Previous monthly low. 2936.5. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 3155.77. Daily Fibonacci 61. 0.8%. 3143.73. Daily pivot point S1. 3140.25. Daily pivot point S2. 3106.75. Daily pivot point S3. 3089.25. Daily pivot point R1. 3191.25. Daily pivot point R2. 3208.75. Daily pivot point R3. 3242.25. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.